Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make salad of cabbage. First, choose a fresh, firm head of cabbage, ideally weighing around 2 pounds. Begin by removing any loose or damaged outer leaves, then give it a good rinse under cool water. Next, quarter the cabbage, carefully cut out the tough core, and then thinly slice it into fine, delicate shreds. Transfer all of your beautifully shredded cabbage into a large mixing bowl, ready for the delicious dressing. Now, let's create our incredibly simple yet flavorful dressing. In a separate small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. To this, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, stirring until they begin to dissolve. Next, slowly whisk in 1/3 cup of a neutral oil, such as vegetable or canola oil, until the mixture is well emulsified. Finish by adding 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, giving it one final whisk. With our dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour the entire dressing mixture evenly over the shredded cabbage in your large bowl. Now, using a pair of tongs or your clean hands, gently but thoroughly toss the cabbage. Make sure every single shred is beautifully coated with the dressing. This is key for flavor. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the salad for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the cabbage to soften slightly. Your delicious, easy cabbage salad is now ready to be enjoyed. Before serving, give it one last quick toss to ensure the dressing is evenly distributed throughout. For a fresh touch, consider garnishing with some finely chopped fresh parsley or dill. This versatile salad is a fantastic accompaniment to grilled meats, a perfect side for sandwiches, or simply a refreshing dish on its own. Any remaining salad can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.